Welcome friends in science lecture second, lesson 9, heredity and evolution. In this particular lecture we are going to continue the Mendel's experiment with more than one characteristics. In more than one characteristics he tried to explain about two characteristics, that is round and yellow. That is, capital R was taken as a characteristics as round and small r was taken as a characteristics as wrinkled. This was characteristics of wrinkled. This you see the diagram of wrinkled, right? And capital Y as yellow color and small y as green color. So he took two characteristics of four plants and four different plants with characteristics and tried to explain us how this happened around. Now these plants, capital R small y, and that is having a red and yellow, round and yellow characteristics, capital R and small y as round and green. This is small r which is wrinkled. You may see from the shape it is also wrinkled and yellow, and small r and small y as wrinkled and green. The same way it has been taken four of them here and crossbreeded. You may see the results outcome which are been happening here. You may see capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital R. This is capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y. So this has been crossbreeded likewise. And you may see the outcome is both of them as round and both of them as yellow. So this outcome of a seed is round and yellow. The same way if you see here, this is capital R and small y, capital R and capital Y. So one small y comes here, but still the dominant characteristics is yellow. So this seed happens to be yellow and round. This is also round and yellow. Capital R and capital Y is there. Capital R and capital Y round and yellow. Capital R and capital Y round and yellow. It has been inherited from this side. Here if you see, they are having the characteristics. This is capital R, small y, small y. So capital R, small y, small y. Here the seed happens to be round and green. So this is how the characteristics is been donated. The same way here, round and yellow, but here happens to be round and green. Here if you see, this is round and yellow, but here small r, so this happens to be wrinkled, and capital Y, capital R, so this happens to be yellow. Same way here, capital small r, so it is wrinkled, and small y and capital Y, but it is still yellow, so wrinkled and yellow. Here also round and yellow, round and green, wrinkled and yellow, and wrinkled and green. So this is how the characteristics is passed upon. If you count here, for 16 outcomes are there. For 4 and 4, if you crossbreed, it comes out to be 16 outcomes. From the 16 outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 are yellow and 1, 2, 3, 4 are green. So the ratio still happens to be 3:1. In the same way, if we take 2 to 1s, that out of these total outcomes, round and yellow were 315, which is ratio, this is round and green, yellow and wrinkled, and yellow and green, sorry, green and wrinkled. So this ratio outcomes out of 16 characteristics as 9, 3, 3 and 1. Fine. So this is how the 16 characteristics are being resembled. So this ratio out of 16 is 1. This is 9 out of 16, this is 3 out of 16, this is 3. But individually if we count, this is 9:3, this comes out to be 3:1 only. Fine. This is also coming out as 3:1 and 3:1. So the individual ratio stands out likewise, which was been explained by Mendel for each two characteristics, and this is how this characteristics. So still more, if we go for complex characteristics, this ratio still stand out in the same numbers of 9:3:3:1, and still more and go on. So multiple characteristics can be calculated likewise. A complex figure will be obtained, but we might able to understand how these characteristics got passed upon, and different types of characteristics was found in human being, and there were variations were seen. So the Mendel was very useful in explaining how the changes during progony from first generation to second and from second to third generation, and likewise how the multiple characteristics play an important role in the change in the characteristics of a person. Fine, I hope so you must have understood up till here. Thank you for this particular lecture.